Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting opportunity to maximize your benefits on one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, Mexc. If you're interested in trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, you've likely heard of Mexc. But did you know there's a way to give yourself an extra edge? Let's discuss how you can leverage the Mexc bonus code and the benefits of using the referral code 12K4M5. Mexc is renowned for its robustness and user-friendly platform, offering trading in a wide array of digital assets. Here's where things get even better. With Mexc's bonus program, by using a referral code like 12K4M5, you can unlock additional perks right from the start. 1. Sign up. Bonus. Use the code 12K4M5 when registering to receive a welcome bonus. This can be in the form of cryptocurrencies, trading fee discounts, or even cashback on your trades. 2. Reduced trading fees. Benefits for you and your referrals. For every successful referral who uses your code, you both receive a reduction in trading fees, enhancing your profitability on the platform. 3. Bonus incentives, promotions, and additional earnings. Mexc often runs promotions where using referral codes can earn you additional bonuses, some of which can be quite substantial. 4th, engagement prizes. Opportunities to win more rewards. Engage in trading with your referrals' participation to potentially enter prize draws or contests, offering chances to win even more rewards. 5. Community benefits, networking, and exclusive events. Being part of a referral community can provide access to exclusive events, insider tips, and networking with other savvy traders. How to get started? Signing up for Mexc. Now, imagine having all these benefits with just one step. Here's how. Sign up to Mexc Exchange. Visit the official Mexc website or app. Enter the referral code. During registration, simply enter 12K4M5 in the referral code section to claim your bonuses and start trading with an advantage. To wrap up, whether you're just starting in the crypto world or looking to expand your trading toolkit, Mexc provides significant advantages through its referral program. Don't miss this opportunity. Take action now. Sign up to Mexc and input your referral code 12K4M5 when you register. Share the code with friends and family to grow your trading network. Remember, your success in trading can get a wonderful boost with Mexc's referral program. Start now and maximize your gains with Mexc. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you thriving in the world of cryptocurrency.